Alright world, what's up? So we were gonna wash cars today. It's kind of why I'm dirty. Been working on wrenching on cars. Obviously you guys see it's a whole new fleet. So obviously, as you guys can see, we've been busy during this little coronavirus. So real quick, I'm gonna give you guys a little update on what's been going on with my vehicles here. And then we got a little surprise coming in the next few videos, but I'm gonna hold that and let the owners announce what they got going on. So first, here we go. This is project car number 1. As you guys can see, there's no more Nugget. Nugget's retired. I've sent her off to a better place. We have replaced it with, actually we haven't replaced it with this, but 05 WRX Limited Triple Black. You guys might have seen this car once or twice, probably in a really old video. Next, daily driver. Nuggets replacement. 2008 Mazda Speed 3. This will be the next car that you guys will see us do some wrenching on and some quick updates on. Just gonna make it a little snazzy. This is my daily driver. This one's a pleasure. All right, let me shoot this one over to the owner. And
all right, so I have a 2005 Mazda RX-8. I do not claim to know anything about cars, but I will be learning a whole lot along the way. I've wanted one for a couple years, so
just gonna do this thing.
Wonderful husband did me the favor of gifting me my first project car. I don't know, I'm just make it look pretty.
No speed.
No speed, I'm slow.
No speed.
I claim to not be a street racer or nothing like that.
Track stance, stance boy stance.
That's it.
Tilty wheels?
No.
Body kit?
Yes.
Big old deep dishes?
Maybe.
Big wang?
Thinking about it.
Yes, I can still wear a Honda shirt, but not too happy about it. So let's talk about 1999 Honda Prelude SH. So here's the deal with this car. This car was my son's car. First it was my brother's car. This car is automatic. We did all the work to it, transmission work, put a new automatic transmission in, and it failed. So what's it dad to do? Sometime down the line, you will guys see this will be our full build car. We are going to JDM it all the way out, stancy boy, like a 20-year-old would. So this will be the only stanced car that will be in this driveway. So next video, you guys will see more updates. We got some crew members that have updated their vehicles as well. You guys stay tuned. You're gonna see some crazy horsepower coming out of a couple of cars that are in the crew. You guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The next video you guys will see will be us lowering and putting new wheels on my daily. Peace.